Once you install Zion Builder, next thing you can do is go to your pages section, then choose a page that you want to edit, click on edit, open a new tab. Now once that page is loaded, you can see that it has both Gutenberg editor as well as option to go with Zion Builder. At the top you can see the button, click on that. It should take you to a custom page where you get to edit your available page in Zion Builder. It should greet you with getting started video. You can close this box and here you'll see your page builder section. Okay, on left hand side you have this navigator that gives you all the available options. So when you're done with editing the template or page, you can click on save page or save and publish. Similarly, you have page options. As you can see, it will be displayed here. You can also view the current page like this. Similarly, you have history of changes. Okay. Then you have your options for templates. Simply select them and insert into your current page. Right. So these are some of the pro sections that you can access if you have paid for pro version of the Zion Builder. Similarly, you can use core UI items, which also have blue section with headers and specific content that you can add. Right, so you get the idea how to edit your page and open it in Zion Builder.